Good day everyone, welcome to today's class. Today's class we are going to do woven bag. We are going to weave a bag with belt. Now the belt is already multicolored one, so if you are using plain one you can combine different colors. So today I'm just making a mini handbag, so which we go by 17 inches length, 17 inches length, 17 inches length, 17 inches length by 9 inches wide, by 9 inches wide. This SS is for trimming, by 9 inches wide. We can cut 17.5 by 9.5. Put sewing allowance so that you can trim it out later. Now see what we are actually going to learn in this class is how to weave, not the bag, actually how to weave. So if you get it with the method I'm showing you here now, you'll be able to use it to weave any bag you want to do, any type of bag, maybe cloth bag, maybe handbag, maybe lunch box. The goal here is to just know how to weave, that's all. So I'm using 17 by 9, so my wideness is going to be 9. This is 9 inches. You cut your 9 inches. My wideness is 9 inches. Can you see? 9 inches. So it will be this way. Then I'm going to cut 17 pieces. You remember I said I'm using 17 as length, 17 inches. So I'm going to cut this wideness 17 inches because I'm actually going to attach it this way. About this thing, you can use, this is gele, you know those hair tie. You can use gele, you can use lining, preferably a thick one. You can use lining, you can use soft leather. So you are going to place it this way. You will cut this 17. You will cut your wideness according to the length you are using. I said I'm using 17 inches. I cut this, my wideness, which is 9 inches, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Remember, this is 1 inch. 1 inch belt. So I'm going to place it this way. I'm going to arrange it this way. 1, this way, this way. You are going to arrange it very well. You let it close to each other very well. You can do that on machine. I'm just arranging it here so that to show you. You can do that on machine. You can be sewing it after one another. You are going to sew it to this. So you can be doing that on your machine, one after the other. You are going to let it close to each other, like very close, so that the thing will tight. Very close to each other, not on top of each other, but very close. Very close. So very close. Now we are done. This is the 17. You now go to your machine, then sew this side. your right side this way, the right side, you will sew it down, just one side, When I finish sewing, I will show it later. You are welcome back. So remember, we use 17 inches by 9. The measurement is not the issue here. I'm just trying to explain to you. You can use 20 by 10, 30, 10 by 10, depend on what you are sewing. So but the wideness is 9 here. We are going to cut it in 17 places since our length is 17. Why the 17 inches length, your belt, you cut 17 inches length in 9 places, because we are using 17, we are using 9 inches, because we are using 9 inches wide. So you cut your 17 in 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will start weaving. Start weaving now. I want you to see it properly. How can I do it? Let's start weaving now. Remember, when you are sewing this right, look at it. When you are sewing, make sure you let it close to each other without any space. Let it close to one another without any space. So after sewing it straight like this, then you start you lay it very well. Lay it very well. Then let's start. This is the 17 inches. You start from here. You place it on it. You remove this. This is the first one. You place it on the first one. Then you remove this, the second one. Place it in this way. That's the second one. You leave this third one. You remove the fourth one up. Then you put this under. Hope you can see what I'm doing. This is the 17 inches. You leave one. You raise one up. Place it on it. You leave this. You raise this one up. Place it on it. You leave this one. You leave one and raise one up. You leave one, raise one up. You leave one, you raise the second one up. You leave this, you raise this up, then you leave it. Can you see it? Let's continue. Let's continue. You take another one here. Can you see? You start from here. You can see this is up. The next one will be under this first one. This way. You leave this. Leave this. Leave this one up. Leave this. Raise this one up. You have to be adjusting it so that it will tight. Let's continue. You leave this one, raise this one up. You leave this, raise this up. You leave this, raise this one up. Yes, you leave this, you raise this one up. Then you raise this up. Then make sure it is close to each other. You take another one. Start from the up here, this, this,